Your fleet just broke down. Again. And you have no idea which vehicle needs service next. Sound familiar? You're juggling spreadsheets, missing inspections, and losing thousands to unexpected breakdowns. Your insurance renewals slip through the cracks. Your vehicles are down when you need them most. And you're constantly firefighting instead of preventing problems. There's a better way to manage your fleet, and it doesn't require you to be a tech expert. eWorkOrders CMMS is the fleet maintenance software that brings everything into one centralized system. Track every vehicle, from vehicle ID numbers to inspection dates. Schedule preventative maintenance by date, mileage, or runtime. Get automatic alerts for insurance, registration, and critical maintenance before they're overdue. No more guessing. Our real-time dashboards show you exactly which vehicles are healthy and which need attention. Track complete maintenance history for every asset, making repair or replace decisions easy and data-driven. Manage your entire parts inventory with automatic low-stock alerts, so you're never waiting on a critical component. And here's how we're different. Our AI assistant helps you through every step, whether you are setting up your preventative maintenance plans, assigning the right technician to each job, figuring out how to do a job, or going through implementation. We make it effortless with AI-powered support. Your technicians can access everything they need right from their mobile devices: work orders, asset history, manuals, and more. No more back and forth. No more delays. Just efficient maintenance that keeps your fleet running. Our customers report significant reductions in downtime, extended vehicle lifespans, and major cost savings. With over 30 years of experience and award-winning support, we've helped thousands of organizations transform their fleet maintenance from reactive chaos to proactive control. Ready to stop the breakdowns and take control of your fleet? Contact eWorkOrders today to discuss your specific needs. We'll show you exactly how our CMMS can work for your operation with a free, no-obligation demonstration. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call 888-333-4617. Let's get your fleet running smoother, lasting longer, and costing less. Your vehicles and your bottom line will thank you. eWorkOrders. Maintenance made simple.